Welcome to Miracle Mind Podcast. Today in studio, I have my friend Dea. We are going to have a raw conversation about judgment, the conditional fear which we all had, or we may have now also. Let us dig into it. Dea, what is your opinion about the judgment? Do you have any incident in your life?
Yeah, judgment. I feel because of judgment, we are losing many opportunities.
Okay.
Judgment is unnecessary fear,
Okay.
and it's a natural way for others.
Hmm.
But how we are reacting to the judgment is our responsibility.
Yeah, yes.
We have to shift our focus from what they will think to what we really want.
Exactly, yes.
Whenever, wherever we are going beyond our comfortable zone, we get many number of opinions.
Yes.
Sometimes we may get trapped into that opinion. We may lose that opportunities. After many years, we may regret for that. That
Correct.
opportunity won't come back again.
Yes.
Once it's gone, it's gone. Yes. I had one incident. I want to do one business. I was asking opinion with my family. Some said, okay, you do. But some said, எப்படி நீ handle பண்ணுவ family and work everything handle பண்ணுவ. Like that they asked. At the time, I was not much confident to do. So, ஆமா நம்ம ஃப்ரீயா இருந்துக்கலாம். No need to do take that step அப்படின்னு I thought. But after 1 or 2 months, I couldn't come out of that thought.
Okay.
So I called my uncle and told that, no, uncle, I'm going to do like that. I said. He said, okay, you do. But write what are the positive things you will get and what are the negative things.
Okay.
And then for each negative thing, you plan how you are going to do if that happens, how you are going to handle that.
Oh, good.
He said like that. After analyzing all these things, once you enter into that field, never come back.
Okay.
You have to face.
Okay.
He said. So I got little confident after that, and I enjoyed doing that.
Oh,
This
that
was
is
my-
nice.
Yeah,
That is
yeah.
nice. Okay.
Do you have any incident?
Yes, I have one incident such like that. From that, I learned one biggest lesson in my life. I brought up from a village from Kerala, and I was working in a metro city. So in my office, there are some corporate parties keep happening. And when this party name itself, I used to withdraw from that. I used to, make some excuse and say my manager that I won't be able to make that. And he used to watch me. Every work I used to do properly. But when he speak about the party, I was the first person to come out from that.
Okay.
So he came and asked, "Do you have any other issue? Why you are not coming for the party?" He told, like I told, yes, actually, I won't really like to come for the party. He asked, what is the reason? I told, party means I have some different opinion, so I may not be comfortable with that. So, and also, if somebody come to know my known person, what they will think about me. So after when I told this, suddenly he told me one thing, Jinsi, if you know to keep the boundaries and draw a line for your values, and nobody is going to force you for anything. That is your value, and but you should know where to put the boundary. And I was start thinking, and I agreed. That day I went for the party, and it was in a club, and I entered. I saw different people, my colleagues, all are enjoying. And when they asked for me, which what drink you would like to take, and I was just searching, and my manager was there, and he told me, "See, there is an orange juice. Why can't you take that?" He understood my dilemma, and then I went and grabbed it. And really, I'm telling you, my all judgment about the party went away because I have some values. I know where to keep and where to, draw that boundary. And that was the lesson which I learned from there. And till now, I follow that because if you don't like anything, say no. If you don't, it doesn't mean that you should withdraw from, anywhere to going anywhere because of this will happen there or that will happen there. That is just a imagination in our head. I used to think that going parties, I don't know exactly what was that because I never been to there.
Okay.
I have only heard some people's opinions. And I used to think that going to in a club or going for a party, maybe people will think something, and from that, I made one imagination in my head. I was thinking that I should not go, but I don't have any previous experience. So this is the same thing which we do about any situations. Before going and experiencing about that, we start giving that opinion from our past, whatever imagination which we had in our head. So maybe that is from somebody's opinion or something, some movies we saw. It may not be real.
Yeah, it may not be right.
So I made that mind. After that, this taught me a big lesson in my life. Now, after that, wherever we go, or if you are friend with anyone, what values you should draw, you should aware. So it will not affect in, or it will harm your values. That you should be strong enough. So that made me to, achieve certain things in my life, certain goals in my life. So that fear of judgment, I try first. If it is not happening, it's okay. I'm not going to bother about others' opinion. At least I can try and see. I should experience that. I should know about the positive and negative outcome of that. As you said, when negative is there, you should know how to handle. And if you are aware about that, that fear of judgment will go away. That is, it's just a conditional fear, which we might have got from, when we are in the childhood. So that condition we keep in our head, and we see some other things. We keep on loading all those things. And one day, we, without knowing other things, we start judging. Maybe to a person or to a situation or anything, we start judging. So many incident happens and it may hurt others. Some relationship also get ruined because of that, and many opportunities also go away from us. So this is the biggest lesson I learned. And even in regarding our kids, we sometimes we say, if you do this, what others will think.
Yeah.
What neighbor will say. This kind of opinion or this
We are
kind of
building fear of judgment.
Yes,
without
yes,
knowing.
exactly. So the kids also we do certain times. So few incidents happened with me. I also started saying like, if you do this, people may judge that I am not bringing up you correctly. Then I thought, it is why I'm worried about, am I worried about my kids' activity, or I'm worried about others' opinion? I should correct my kid instead of thinking about others. If she is, or my son is, or my daughter is doing wrong, I should correct them if they are wrong. Otherwise, I should sit and worry about others' opinion. Then I cannot be a good mother to my kids.
Many parents are doing this.
Yes, exactly. So that small, childhood itself, small kid, if you say don't do, if others watch, or then they will have that conditioning. Okay, there are some opinion. It is more important than me.
Yeah.
So when they are becoming, adult, then they become adult and they feel this. Okay, we should not perform like this because others say something.
Yeah.
So that fear of condition, later it will become a judgmental fear. So we should aware what to speak with the kids, because they are, they are growing up, they are copying us. When we start doing something, definitely they will copy in their adulthood. So that is a major thing.
That's a good point.
Yes, exactly. Thank you, Daya, for this wonderful conversation. Dear viewers, if you like this raw and meaningful conversation, kindly share and subscribe. Also, let us meet with another meaningful conversation like this very soon.